Hello everyone to the upset call. Hopefully no one new is there in the call. Everyone has attended as previously. If at all you are new. So if you would like to introduce yourself, please go ahead. So talking about the let's start with our layer 5 NG as we begin the meeting. Initially, like since Ruth is not on the call yet, let's postpone her talk. Yeah, good. So I
So is it
guess
only like women mentors are to be there for the program?
yeah, so I'm not sure. Like it's more specific for the women only, as by the name it suggests. But I'm not sure about that. If Ruth would have joined, she would have been able to explain it much better. But since she has not yet joined, let's hold on to this question until she has. Cool. I think it's something which is only held in Africa and only for the students of Africa, I guess, or promoting open source in Africa by this and promoting women participation in DC. So it seems like it's mostly for women. So discussing about the blockers for Go Live for Layer 5 NG site. Yes, almost everything is complete. Few of them are left, which can be or might be ignored if we want. Like the Get Nighthawk page was optional. Oh, Josh, are you working on it, or have you started, or is it still pending? Josh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah.
Uh,
So for the Get Nighthawk page, have you started working on it, or is it still something which is left?
so the Get Nighthawk page is being worked upon by Chinmay, I guess. Like he asked that he wanted to work on it, and then he also said that others also wanted to work. So I'll be dividing them into sections and those. So I said yes, you can go ahead. So is Chinmay on call?
Doesn't seem to be.
Like
No,
he
I can see.
yesterday messaged me that he wanted to work on it, and along with him Tanuj and Harshit also wanted to work. He mentioned something like this, so he said that I will be dividing the sections, like the page, into sections so everybody can work. I said yes, please go ahead.
Okay.
uh, I'll
Hello,
ask him
sir.
if he's doing or yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you.
So Yash Vardhan here.
Yes.
I had always also been working on the Get Nighthawk project.
No,
Some issues
we're
I've
talking about
resolved.
the Get Nighthawk page for the Layer 5 website.
Oh, not that, not that. Okay, sorry,
Yeah.
I got it wrong. Sorry.
Yeah, no issue.
If you want, you can even work on the sections for the layer 5 site for the Get Night page. Like we are welcoming contributors
I don't.
Currently,
since
Vinayak sir has assigned me 2 or 3 issues. I'm looking after that. Then after I can do that.
Yeah. Like I know you are working on the Get Nighthawk site. I think if like I think there's no need of like having sections for this page. Like it's a single page similar to SMP and that. So if Chinmay replies to me by tonight, or else I'll just do it. It's not that big thing.
Nikhil, I just had a small doubt.
Yes.
Is migrating to GitHub pages is also part of the release pipeline that we are planning for this new website?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So are all the environment variables and everything has been set up? Because last time when I raised a pull request for it, I unfortunately had to close it down and then like create a new one with all the rebasing done to the latest of layer 5 ng branch.
Okay. So as for the latest info, the site will be deployed on GitHub pages only. So the
Okay.
PR which is already open, does it successfully or something is still left for that?
I mean, it worked. It worked locally on my fork, but I think it still needs to be tested on the layer 5 by Lee.
Okay.
I mean, I did provide all the instruction on how to replicate that exact thing on the branch of for the layer 5, and I'm not sure that did Lee actually followed all the steps and everything, because it involves having an AAA record being pointed to at that point and adding GitHub pages to the CNAME and that DNS entries and everything. So again, that is, if it is something which is in the pipeline, I think we should sort of have a trial run for it.
Okay, so I'm not aware if Lee has tried it or not. As far as I know, we haven't tried it, anything like that.
Okay.
But yeah, but the ultimate goal is to deploy it on GitHub pages only.
So
So it's
again,
something needs
because
to
I
be.
was just saying that before we like finally launch the website and everything and go live with it, I think we can have a sort of a dry run with the same configurations, because again, we have to put up all the DNS records and all that stuff.
Right,
Mhm.
right. I'll add it in the meeting minutes.
Mhm. If you could like just highlight over there, so it's like we can have another conversation with me or anyone.
Sure, sure. It is something which will be keeping on track. It's just that some agendas are still left for the site, which needs to be worked upon.
Mhm.
So
Sure, please feel free to let me know of anything. I'll can have quick bug fixes over there.
sure, sure. So once we are done with the site, that would be the last thing.
Mhm.
But I don't think it would take much. If you have tried it on your local and it works fine, right?
Yeah, I mean, I created a fork of my layer 5 ng instant and then I tried everything on it. So I was successfully able to deploy it on my github.io, which again will point to another DNS accordingly, like layer 5.ng. So it has to be like that.
Okay, okay, got it. I don't think it would cause much issue because our layer 5.io site is also being deployed in that way. So
Mhm.
just tweaking some values or copy pasting some of them,
Mhm.
that would do the trick. But yeah, discussing the same with Lee being there, it would be better. So yeah,
Yeah,
I'll add
because
it in the
again,
meeting minutes and comment Lee to update on the scene.
okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, just you were saying about the Get Night Talk page. Like you're saying we
Yeah.
can
So
avoid
I just said that
violating.
if Chinmay does, I'll just ping Chinmay if he can do it in a day. If it's good, then otherwise I'll just do it. It's not a big task, I think.
If you can confirm, there is, I think, bigger thing is that home blocker, I think. Uh,
Yeah,
Chin-
this one.
yeah.
He was working on it as he said, like creating a separate component for it. I'm not sure. Means I saw he was also getting involved in the Get Night Talk side, so not sure if he's actively working on it. Let's get in touch and clear the things so that he is also aware that okay, we want it. So no issues. If at all, like if Chinmay is not working on the so special section, we can distribute the work. or for the Cat Night Talk or the source special section as well. Do we have Vineet on the call? No. Yes, he's also not there, but few
So they are not
things.
blockers, I think, right? The later issues.
Yeah.
No, those are not true. But I don't. Okay, I don't understand the issue with this one. The community page. Austin, can you highlight the issue? Because like the height doesn't match the height of the design. For me, it looks fine, even if the height doesn't match. But not sure.
Yeah, I was trying to do the site audit, want to match the exact design. That was Lee's ask. So we do the whole site audit for each page. I'll continue today with the rest.
Okay, so
But if you look at
you
the
mean
size, the height doesn't match we have on the design. Uh, That was the first observation. And then the white spacing of this page.
this hero section, right? The one
Yes.
which is behind.
If you need assistance, we could I could show you how to inspect the exact height Figma file, so it helps.
Okay. So currently the only blocker are these two issues, right? The home one and the content for the ministry pages.
There are two more blockers according to me. There is the
Okay.
issue with the font which I'm working on. Y-
Right, right.
Yeah, I was trying to do what is said. I sent you the link, but even after doing that, uh, there's something. The same error was coming. So
Mm,
I tried two more approaches, but and nothing seemed to work. So I found one plugin for that now. So next I will try to do that. Maybe that will work. I'm not sure what is causing the issue, but because simply it should work by directly importing, but uh, for some reason in Firefox it is not detecting.
Actually, it's not only with Firefox. Like even if I open Chrome, it's not able to get the font. Like if you see the console, it's giving a 404 for the fonts.
Hmm.
It's not able to reload load that package. But since I think it's because of the cache that I have, it's getting loaded currently for Chrome, but not in Firefox.
Yeah, I
But
think so
it's
too
getting a
because
404 error.
yeah. It, and one more thing is that I have to change the URL of that book. It should be /learn/service mesh management slash the book name. I will
Okay.
change that today. I was thinking to doing with the same PR, but the font one was taking long, so I'll send a separate PR.
Yes, these two things once gets resolved, then we are good to go for.
Yeah.
Also, I would request like both you and Jash as well to go through the site in the Firefox browser as well, because as I know, if the responsiveness of the site is correct in the Firefox browser, then it won't get affected in the Safari as well. Because yeah, the responsiveness with Firefox is almost similar to that of Safari, which is follows the rules and all. So we have to check like the service mesh labs issue which Lee was pointing out. I could find the same in the Firefox, but not on Chrome. So yeah,
Okay.
that is something we need to work. Like checking the same in the Firefox too, because there might be yeah. Question you were saying something.
One good.
checking the scene on the Firefox is required. Okay, so it seems like we don't have any other topics to discuss since we don't have Ruth on the call to discuss about She Code Africa. Vinat, do you have any update to share for the Get Nighthawk page? Or you want anything to discuss?
For the Get Nighthawk website,
Yeah, correct.
uh, basically it's a single page website. So I have already listed down all the issues that we need to attend to in order to get most of the things working in it. Other than that, Lee said that we might have a future plan of including a doc or a sort of review based system, like where we can see reviews for Get Nighthawk. So those are currently in the future plan. Right now, we're just mainly focusing on the adding the FAQ section or adding the nav bar and the footer and all those simple basic things.
Nice.
What's the status with She Code Africa? I can see that the proposed projects for it are Get Nighthawk, Learn Layer 5.io and Layer 5 NG.
Hello, sir. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So I guess I was speaking with my mic turned off. Good.
Yeah.
Thank you for notifying. Okay, good. So yeah, what I was saying was for the She Code Africa, Ruth was supposed to share information about it, but she hasn't joined. But what I can say is, what as far as I know, like in Africa, as she said in the last community call, also, most of the people are involved in front end development or the React based projects. So we will be, Layer 5 as a mentor organization will be participating with our Layer 5 NG site or the Get Nighthawk site since that is in focus a bit. So yeah, that's the main case. And as the mentors, I guess they are called for mentors, which might be women, or I guess it's not.
I
She
don't
is
think so.
including more women, but I don't think it is like so. If you want, we can. Anyone can fill up this form and submit it if you want to event.
We can actually have a few more issues made in Get Nighthawk website, like implementing all those future goals Lee was talking about for Get Nighthawk.
Sure, sure. Cool. If you like, see, because currently I'm not much involved with the Get Nighthawk project as such, so I don't have much knowledge on what's going on there. But if there are more issues which can be created, since if you'll be participating in this uh, competition or you can say program, then we might get more views or participants for this. So just good first issues created for in this repo might be helpful for that. So Vinayak, if you would like to do the honors of creating the issue, it would be very
Sure.
okay. So uh, that's all.
Am
And
I audible, sir? Hello.
Yeah.
yes, yeah.
Sir, I wanted to ask that the Get Nighthawk project, which is currently under development, is a single page application or it has integrated pages like many different sections and all? Because I did not find the designs for any other sections. I found it for the home page. Is that all that we need to do, that we need to implement?
Yes,
Most
as of
probably.
now, we just have the mock-up for the main homepage, but we do have in plan for a like a future perspective for making a sort of a blog or documentation sort of thing for Get Nighthawk and a review thing for it.
So are we
We
going to
don't
add
have.
backend as well?
I'm not
No.
sure about if
So
we will
actually,
require
the
backend for it.
thing is, we already have a one-page site, which is the SMP site, smpspec.io, and the Get Nighthawk site will almost or mostly be similar to this one, which is also a single-page
Okay.
site. It also
Yes, sir.
has a blog page and all, which you can check it out. The Get
Yeah.
Nighthawk page might get one or two additions apart from this one, but almost it would be similar to this site. So it won't have a specific backend as such, but yeah, like it's a project,
Okay.
but that has a side of its own, just like I said.
Yes. I understood. Thank you, sir.